This might be one of the best opportunities we've seen for a buyer looking to invest a little work and gain serious potential. Located in the peaceful town of Shapleigh, Maine, this spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home sits on a large parcel and offers over 2,000 square feet of living space ready to be transformed. That includes gardening, small-scale homesteading, or simply enjoying the privacy of a rural setting. Inside, the home features a spacious layout with multiple living areas, giving you flexibility to design a space that fits your lifestyle. While the interior does need some cosmetic updates, this presents a valuable opportunity to fully customize the home to your taste without paying a premium for recent renovations. With the right improvements, this property has the potential to truly shine. One of the standout features is the daylight basement, which adds additional square footage and versatility. It could easily be used as a workshop, recreation room, or finished into extra living space, increasing both comfort and value. The location offers the best of both worlds: quiet country living with access to local conveniences. You'll enjoy the slower pace of rural Maine while still being within reach of nearby towns and essential services. Please note this property is being sold as a short sale, subject to lender approval. For buyers willing to put in some effort, this is a rare chance to build equity and create a personalized Maine retreat with space, character, and long-term potential.